Welcome to Medallion Homes Anna Maria floor plan with water view in the sought-after gated community of University Village. With the ease of a maintenance-free community, you will have plenty of time to enjoy all that Sarasota has to offer, and it will all be at your fingertips with this fabulous location in the University corridor. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a den, great room plan, 2-car garage and an extended lanai. If you desire nothing but the best, this home is for you. It offers 17 inches ceramic tile throughout except the bedrooms, Caesarstone countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, crown molding, stainless steel appliances and more. This University Village villa-style home features tile roofs and brick paver driveway, community pool and a dog park. Less than 30 minutes to St Armands Circle with more choices for boutique shopping and dining. 14 minutes to the mall at University Town Center UTC with its world-class shopping, restaurants and entertainment. Also Siesta Key Beach, which was named #1 beach in Florida for summer 2021 travel. Centrally located for easy access to medical facilities, grocery shopping, top-notch golf facilities.